Enthink's Taxonomy Manager is designed to facilitate the organization and categorization of content within a taxonomy system. This is accomplished by assigning metadata or tags to various pieces of content, such as documents, articles, images, or videos. Taxonomy Manager structurally organizes your website's content and puts everything in neat categories. This involves creating a well-defined framework that outlines how items are grouped, organized, and related to each other based on their characteristics, attributes, or relationships. This practice provides a solid foundation for effective content management, content repurposing, and user engagement. Instead of creating entirely new content from scratch, repurposing involves reusing and reshaping existing material to appeal to different audiences or serve various purposes. Take existing content and adapt it into different formats or for different platforms to extend its reach, usefulness, and lifespan. Taxonomy-driven personalized content delivery transforms a website into a platform that tailors its content offerings to each individual user's preferences. By using Taxonomy Manager to understand the relationships between content items and users' interests, websites can provide more relevant, engaging, and valuable experiences to their visitors. Taxonomy Manager diligently maintains the organizational integrity of your website, even as it undergoes expansion. It functions as a reliable curator, ensuring that as new components are introduced, they seamlessly integrate into their designated positions, preserving the overall orderliness of your website, regardless of its scale. Thanks to this organization and categorization of content, users can search for content based on relevant categories or topics, making it easier and more efficient to retrieve relevant information. Enthink's Taxonomy Manager is a tool that works wonders in simplifying the intricate task of content organization. It effectively categorizes and packages organizational knowledge, transforming what could be a convoluted process into one that is seamlessly structured. By offering users a logically organized landscape of information, finding relevant content becomes a breeze, boosting efficiency and user satisfaction. Taxonomy Manager contributes significantly to the value of streamlined information retrieval. The systematic categorization it offers isn't just about neat labeling, it's a strategic roadmap to efficiently navigating the sea of data. With content thoughtfully sorted into categories and tags, users are empowered to quickly pinpoint what they're looking for without the frustration of sifting through irrelevant materials. By providing a controlled environment for tagging content, this tool safeguards against the unintentional mishmash of unrelated or inappropriate tags. With carefully controlled tagging, content integrity is maintained, and users can trust the accuracy of the information they encounter. The Taxonomy Manager facilitates the creation of methodically structured content, empowering authors to adeptly personalize and repurpose information. This includes tasks such as tailoring content for geographic targeting of potential users, as well as constructing a new framework for a website and seamlessly integrating content from an established source. Enthink's Taxonomy Manager provides a range of benefits including mapping taxonomy to content, managing and integrating with existing taxonomies, support for multiple taxonomies, efficient content tagging, error elimination, structural taxonomy for cite and search, unlimited levels of categories and keywords, and SEO optimization. These features contribute to the effective organization, discoverability, and accessibility of your content. For more information, visit us at enthink.com. And let's build something amazing together.